Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically, I guess, purchase cookies for like props on Dress to Impress. So go to the server button here, go to the winter quest and select join. It's actually in the winter town and not in the game. So keep that in mind. Okay, apparently I'm alphabet right now. So you're just going to go to the shop right here and you're going to go in here. Then, as you can see, you have these really cute desserts. You're just going to press E to open. And here, as you can see, there's some holiday menu. I'm already holding like a hot chocolate, but you can order a cinnamon roll, press confirm, and there it is. You can even drop it here. I'll choose another one that's not that's holding something. Let's do Glinda. Nope. Okay. Okay, press E, and then let's do chocolate cookie. And then as you can see, you're holding the cookie, which I think is super cute. Let's drop it. Can I even buy another one here? Oh, yes, I can. Let's do the hot cocoa drink and press confirm. And that's pretty much it. Super cute, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.